Goldstar Seeds is a seed vegetable company focused on producing high-quality, high-value vegetable seed and delivering the crop on a timely basis in the amount accorded to in the contract. We specialize in cucurbitaceae, Mosaic-Free Lettuce, Brassicaceae, and Umbelliferae. Our founders and owners, Gabriel Vigouroux and Tyson Schmidt, bring over 70 years of combined experience to our exclusive vegetable seed. Cucurbitaceae. Cucurbits hold a special place in our hearts, as our very first productions were vine seed crops. Our current expertise with over 15 years of experience with this genus helps us offer premier quality to our clients. Goldstar Seeds produces open field hybrid squash and hybrid cucumbers in Chile's southern 8th region. Our cucurbit productions thrive here with ideal daily temperature variations between 10 and 32 Celsius. Our planting window begins in early November with harvest between March and late May, depending on the vine seed being produced. Strict production protocols on farm and beyond, extensive client and grower communication and support, and our innovative mechanization program takes us beyond our competition. We offer small cage productions for your small experimental hybrids or parental increases, as well as outdoor open field hybrids, which we produce in collaboration with our select group of growers in and around the San Carlos Chillán area. This region is particularly renowned throughout Chile for having high-quality soils, reliable water sources, and extensive irrigation technology that involves the use of sprinklers and center pivot systems. We are constantly walking the fields to monitor our crops for quality, providing you with monthly updates as to the status of your production. Our staff is well-trained and adheres to strict production protocols. Our team is particularly proud in the knowledge that we are the first company to fully mechanize vine seed production in Chile at the field level. But we are not stopping there. Currently, we are investing in the mechanization of our seed washing and drying facility. We believe that constant innovation is key to our success. Asteraceae. Goldstar Seeds has specialized in the production of MI lettuce, lettuce mosaic virus-free since 2004. Whether you need 1 kilogram or 1,000, Goldstar Seeds is able to accommodate your needs. Every production we accept, big or small, is handled with exact attention to detail in order to ensure genetic and physical purity, high germination, and a disease-free status. Our 2 dedicated production areas are strategically located geographically to accommodate the varying types of lettuce and our customers' delivery date needs. Our central location seeds out in late July and harvest is in late January and February, ensuring a March delivery. Our southern location seeds out in August, harvest in February and March for an April delivery. All our lettuce is produced under the protection of aphid-proof netting. We understand that each lettuce has its own specialized cultivation requirements, mandating specific growing techniques integrating your specifications and our extensive experience. Our quality control department has rigorous protocols in place from the time we receive our client's stock seed until the time we ship you your crop. Our proficient technicians remove off-types in each of 2 quality ruggings to maintain the line's genetic purity. We follow up this control with written reports and pictures to keep you informed of your crop's progress. All our lettuce is hand harvest, guaranteeing the highest quality product with excellent vigor and germination. Umbelliferae. The mild winters and coastal influence make the area surrounding the city of Melipilla ideal for producing umbelliferae seeds. All of our carrot and celery production takes place in this 5th region of Chile. Carrot production at Goldstar involves first growing root beds, which are seeded out in January and February. The roots are harvested in May and June and then selected for size, shape, and color. The roots are transplanted into the actual production fields in June and July. Flowering takes place in December and harvest starts in February of the next year. When compared to the rest of Chile, the area around Melipilla is notable for its significantly reduced wild carrot population. At Goldstar, we make it a priority to walk not only our production fields but the surrounding areas to avoid this form of contamination. Volunteer carrots can also be a source of impurity, so we require a production field to be out of carrot production for a minimum of 4 years. Finally, it is worth noting that Chile remains free of Candidatus liberibacter solanacearum. Our hybrid brassica production focuses on cabbage, kohlrabi, broccoli, and cauliflower. Cold winters in Chile's 7th and 8th southern growing regions ensure good vernalization of our cabbage. Seeding out and transplant are generally finished by the end of March, depending on variety types and growth, with harvest the following January and customer delivery in late February and March. In contrast, the milder winter around Melipilla is ideal for the frost-sensitive broccoli and cauliflower seed production. These are seeded out from March through late May, with transplants going into the ground about 40 days after seeding. Temperate spring weather and the coastal influence create an ideal climate for flowering in September-October and seed harvest in January. Isolation requirements for brassica are just as important as in any of our other seed crops. To help assure this fundamental aspect, Goldstar Seeds has integrated a professional standard GPS marking system, which is operated and supervised by our National Seed Producers Organization, ANPROS. Our founders and staff recognize that ensuring good nick of brassica crops is one of the most important and critical factors for a successful production. We have therefore initiated nicking trials at our dedicated home farms for all our brassica clients prior to outdoor production. Maximizing yield and genetic purity while minimizing risk to growers, clients, and ourselves requires taking the time to learn how our clients' genetic material behaves with smaller trials. We have learned over the years that genetics can perform quite differently in Chile than in other parts of the world, and being able to evaluate each line's performance with trials limits loss and helps set the stage for appropriate outdoor production and success. Small cage productions are also available to produce experimental hybrids or confirm nicking trials results from a previous season. We have a few different sizes to choose from. Larger productions are all placed with outside growers. Seed processing. In our home farm Rengo, we have our processing area that has the facilities to achieve a high performance in cleaning and sizing seeds, with machines as gravity separating tables, seed sizers, indents, spiral, air columns, color sorter, and magnetic sorting belt to give a product of high quality. Besides, in our home farm San Carlos, we have our washing and dryer facility that has 5 washing lines and 15 dryers that permit each year to process more than 50,000 kilograms of cucurbitaceae clean seeds each season. We look to continue to be not only competitive in this market, but leaders in our field. Goldstar Seeds. More than a seed, the future.